Menteri Rambak ke Sarkar Jylla Konrad Kesang Mau la Pynbna bagi Jylla Meghalaya kalayo Director General of Police Bathymmai da ke Longkemi Khasi ke Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang ke Balwan Shimti Haka Jaka Jong R Chandra Nathan IPS. Ka jing Pynbna jong Menteri Rambak ke Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma bagi Jylla kalayo ia ke DGP Thamai kalong ke jingai sumubha ia ke Longkemi ke Jylla namar ke Sni Burom jong ki Kynthei Haka Partai Baro Kawai. Menteri Rambak hapa Pynbna pajba ia ke DGP Thamai de ke Kynthei ke badi ke Longkemi ke Nengkong hak Jylla banyo ia ke kerdan bahakli du jong ki pulit hak Jylla kalong ke jingkemen ia ke Jylla Meghalaya Baro Kawai ke bau Menteri Rambak ke Jylla wala Paulang ia ke jingkemen kham tambah ke Sngi ba Pynbna ia kong Ida Shisha Nongrang ba inbat ia kerdan bahek jong ki pulit kum ke riu Kynthei napedeng jong ke jaj ben riu lum ha Meghalaya ke belong ru ke jingar ke ia ke jingda ba saus nem jong ke sarkar MDA. Shushu nalor ke pos special DGP bala Pynbna ia kong Ida Shisha Nongrang ka Jylla Meghalaya kala yoru ia Chief Secretary dai Kynthei kata ia kong Rebecca V Suchang ibadai IAS.
Has completed 4 years in office, which was on the 6th of March 2022. But since the 6th of March was a Sunday, we were not able to have an official program, and that is why we have decided that we would have the program today, which is the 8th of March. At the very outset, I would like to wish all the women of our state and of the country a very happy Women's Day. And I was just telling the gathering below that it is the most appropriate time and year because on the 50th of the Golden Jubilee year of our state, on this Women's Day, the two top administrative positions are held both by women right now. The Chief Secretary is a woman and an indigenous woman, and so is the Special DG, who is also a woman, and that too an indigenous woman. So it's a great year, I should say, on the 50th Golden Jubilee year, a memorable moment for the people of our state, and more importantly, the women of our state. Having said that, the 4 years of governance that we have had in the state of the MDA, we have faced a large number of challenges.